Hi, my name is Anand. Yes, in this lab, I want to describe about this TSK, the Sleuth Kit, which is a very important tool for analyzing the file systems, of course, metadata and content information for the forensic investigators. The link of this Sleuth Kit is given www.sleuthkit.org. You can even download the collection of files. So in order to investigate a hard disk, yes, a forensic investigator, you need to know the type of file systems and how to analyze them using various tools. The Sleuth Kit TSK is a library and a collection of command line tools that allows you to investigate volume and file system data. So once you click this link, you can access this download collection of tools. So once you download, I have already downloaded these tools. So you have this TSK. So these are all in bin. You can see all the files which can be run in command mode. So straight away I will go to this command mode by typing cmd in my Windows start. So here I go to desktop and then forensics. I'm into this directory, the sleuth kit, and into bin directory. See here, you see all these important files which are there. Now, the first command which I want to describe, I have made a short notes. So here is a collection, as I mentioned this, I'll be using this Fstat. Fstat, it displays all the file system details. Okay, so here I go to this Fstat, fstat.exe -f, file system type is NTFS, and you can provide what is this, the complete URL of c:/user star, sorry, desktop and forensics, and I have this disk partition DD, that is the image file which you have, which I want to analyze. So just press enter. You should be able to view the contents. I mean the information. You can easily understand that this image is of Windows XP. Okay, and you can see the volume serial number, and the first cluster MFT is the master file table. You can see this, and the other information, the sector size is 512, the cluster size is 496, and okay, you can see the other information also, like the attributes, the object security descriptor, and of course the data, the index table, the bitmap. These are all the key information for a file system. Okay, for NTFS file system. Now what I can do is, with help of these, I am going to use this IStat. So with 0 stands for master file table. I want to view, I want to see the contents of, or I want to have where the file and directory located. Hence we can use this the layout of the MFT described by processing entry 0 in the MFT. So I can use this IStat. IStat is again a collection of tools, istat.exe -f, and you can provide -f is file system type is NTFS. Okay, c:/user star, sorry, desktop and forensic, the forensics, and I can set this partition exe with an attribute 0. Okay, so it will display the MFT contents. You can see this particular one. Here I have made a short notes, 0 for MFT, 1 for a backup copy of the master file table, and 7 contains the boot record, which is very important. 7. If you are writing any forensic exams, you may be asked the 7. 3 is volume label information, 4 is attribute definition, 6 is the bitmap file system information. Okay, and 8 is the bad class, which is the deleted file entries, etc., the damaged clusters or something. 9 is the secure file system metadata, security descriptions. Okay, we will be going through one by one. Yeah, this is the master, the MFT. information. You can see here, this is value of 0. You can see you can get information related to the start and the end, the modified date, okay, and also the access date. You can get all the crucial information and also the cluster information, okay. So if I say 1 will be again a mirror copy, 0 and 1 are more or less the same, but where it is stored, the backup copy will be displayed the crucial information. So here you can see the name is uh, mirror, okay. This is about 1, and if you say about 7, this contains the boot information. You can see this 7 is $boot. The boot information is stored in this particular one. You can see the owner ID is 0 and the modified date. All the attributes are displayed here. The size also is displayed. What is the boot record size, etc. Right. And now next I'm going to display about this 3. 3 will display about the volume label metadata information, unique information. You see this volume information. Okay. Now if I say 4 will display about the attribute definitions, attributes, file attributes, directory attributes, etc. All this kind of information. This is the location where the attributes information is stored. And now 6 is the bitmap file system. The map, the complete map of the file system is located in this file. You can see this. Okay, the size is 32,768 in the map file, and it starts from this particular cluster and it ends at this particular cluster. 6. This is 6, and you can see this 8 is basically, you can see this 8 is and keeps track of the damaged clusters by allocating into $data. So back plus, okay, and you can see the size of this particular one. And 9, the security descriptions and all these things will be located 9. Okay, $secure. Okay, so this is all about this what we call as uh, in Fstat. So now I'll be showing you this FLS. Okay, so this is also a part of your Sleuth Kit, FLS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same, but I'm going to remove all this information. FLS, I wanted to define all these things. Okay, so it displays about what all we have seen, the information, okay, how much is the information, and also the attributes, of this plus, bitmap, boot, log file, MFT, okay, and various other information, volume, and of course the data and directory and the files information, etc., which will be stored here. So if I want any information related to -d is for deleted entries. So most possibly sometimes the file system, or it may be for deleted or something like that. If you want to see the disk, you can see that there is one file which is temp, okay, and the ID of that particular one, deleted file system. Now the image statistics, if I want to know image stat, I have this image stat, I can use this. I'm just removing all this img underscore stat.exe. Give this and see this. So the image size is approximately 1 GB of the total system. Okay, this is how we can make use of this Sleuth Kit. Okay, thank you. Bye.